How to remove Google Photos from Gmail account. So you have a few options on specifically what you want to do. So just go ahead to the Photos app, or you can do this in your browser. You can search for Google Photos, but once you're in either, just go ahead and log into whichever account you want to get rid of your Google Photos. So first of all, you're gonna go ahead and turn off the syncing and the backup. So just go ahead and toggle that off. You should be able to find that option inside your settings. But once you've done that, you can also go ahead and delete your existing photos. You can go to your photos and then select all the photos you want to remove, since in this video you've asked how to remove the Google Photos. So to do that, you can go ahead and select whichever photos you want to remove and just press on delete. You could either specifically hold a single photo and put it on a checklist so that you can delete it, or you can go to the highest part of a specific month and just toggle the entire month in order to delete every image of that specific month. So if you want to delete your entire Google Photos, you can go ahead and do the same thing for every other month. And once you have chosen, just go ahead and press on the bin over here to pretty much delete all your Google Photos. You can also remove your Google Photos access from your account. So if you want to hide or stop using Google Photos entirely, you can go to your account. Then once you're there, you can go to data and privacy. You can look for apps and services. And once you find apps and services and you find Google Photos, you can go ahead and remove its access. This won't delete the photos already in your account, but prevents further syncing from apps that use photos. But that's pretty much how you do this process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.